All right, boys and girls, we're going to start with our calendar. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Today is Monday. Say Monday. Today is a Monday, May 18th. Point to 18 on your screen. Let me see your Monday. I need help counting and clapping to the number 18. Ready? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Great job. Let's look at our other calendar. And we said today is Monday, May 18th. Point to Monday on your screen. Great job.